Good morning. I wanted to give everybody a warning that cocaine is no longer safe. Of course, cocaine was never that safe anyway. It's a very dangerous drug, highly addictive, and causes huge amounts of mayhem. But it was never nearly as dangerous as opioids. I mean, opioids are incredibly dangerous because they shut off people's breathing, and people die because they just stop breathing. And whereas cocaine stimulates people, so there are fairly rare overdose or deaths from overdose from heart arrhythmias and other toxicities, but nothing like what opioids were like. And so people using cocaine, felt like, oh well, I can get in trouble with this, but at least I'm not going to die from it. That's no longer true. The number of overdose deaths in America went up to 93,000 last year. It's up 30%. That comes out to 250 a day. And almost all of that is because of fentanyl. And all of that is in spite of all of the treatment and all the medication-assisted treatment that people are using, the deaths are still going up. And the big reason is fentanyl. Fentanyl is so dangerous that it kills people very, very, very quickly. And it's in such small amounts that people have no idea what they're getting, and they're playing Russian roulette. When it comes to the cocaine, 70% of all the cocaine deaths now have fentanyl involved. So in reality, they're really opioid overdoses because it's not really the cocaine that's killing them, it's the fentanyl that's mixed. Why drug dealers are putting fentanyl in cocaine sort of eludes me, because it really doesn't add anything to the high, but somehow people are doing it, and the people buying the cocaine, I think, have no idea that it's mixed with an opioid. They really believe they're just buying a stimulant, and they're actually buying a combination because the fentanyl is so cheap to make that the drug dealers are putting it in. I used to think there was honor in drug dealers. I'm joking. But there's certainly no honor anymore with what they're doing. And the consumers have no idea what they're getting. So please, if you know anybody that's using cocaine, just please educate everybody out there that it's no longer dangerous. We're seeing the same thing even with marijuana, that fentanyl is being added to that. And certainly when people are buying pills of Xanax or Ativan or whatever they think they're buying on the street, a sedative, a benzodiazepine sedative, or even pain pills, people buying what they think is OxyContin or oxycodone. Almost always it has fentanyl mixed in with it now. And because people have no tolerance to it, if they've been using cocaine, overdoses are so common. So it's crazy out there. I mean, this is just such a warning that everybody needs to stop using addictive drugs. Anything that is out there that's addictive is dangerous. The good news is that more people are getting on medication-assisted treatment. The numbers actually went up in the last 6 years from about 47% of people who have an opioid use disorder are on some form of MAT, and that's gone up to about close to 60%. So that's good news, but the overdose deaths is in spite of that. So please, we need to get the word out of just how dangerous everything is out there on the street. Thank you.